Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a flower. So what you will want to do is go ahead and start your foundation chain with multiples of 3. For this tutorial, I am crocheting 24 stitches. Now, you will also need to know how to do a double crochet, a half treble crochet, and a treble crochet, which I have links for those videos down in the description below if you need some help on how to do that. They're really easy, don't let the name intimidate you whatsoever. Alright, so we have our 24 chains, so you'll want to go ahead and chain an extra 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the 5th chain from the hook, you're wanting to do a half treble crochet. So yarn over and pull through all 3. We will do 2 double crochets. We will skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, we're going to skip those. And in the 3rd, we are going to do a half treble crochet. All right, again, 1, 2, skip 2, and a half treble crochet. And what we're doing is we're making some really pretty boxes that are going to be the foundation for making our flower. So chain 2, have some unruly yarn in a yarn ball, and skip 2, and in the 3rd, do a half treble crochet. And you'll want to do this all the way to the end of the row. So here we are at the end. We do 2 double crochets and 2 chains, my apologies, and a half treble crochet. And here I am just tucking in my yarn, pulling my little end with the rest of my yarn to kind of tuck it in. And this is how our foundation should look. Nice and pretty. So we will chain 1 and turn our work. And this is how we will make our petals. So you will want to do a double crochet, followed by a half treble crochet, followed by 2 treble crochets. So 1 and 2. Then we will chain 2 and do 2 treble crochets. Whoops. There we go. You got this. In the same hole. 2 treble crochets, 1 and 2. Get some more yarn. Do a half treble crochet. Whoops, that's okay. Half treble crochet and a double crochet. And this is actually how you make a petal. So we're going to do this across the whole entire row. So let's do it again. In the next square, we got a double crochet, a half treble crochet, and 2 treble crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 2, 1, 2, 2 treble crochets. Oh, there we go. Number 2. A half treble crochet. Yep, there we go. And a double crochet. And you can start to see the petals taking their shape. Right. We got 1 double crochet, a half treble crochet, and 2 treble crochets. Chain 2, 2 treble crochets, a half treble crochet, and a double. And here we are on the last square. So do your double crochet, half treble crochet, 2 treble crochets, sorry about that, chain 2, 2 treble crochets, a half treble, and a double. All right, and go ahead and pull out a little bit of yarn and give it a snip with some scissors. Bloop. Set your yarn ball aside, and what you'll want to do is go ahead and tie the end of this into a knot. So what I do is I just pull the yarn through one loop, pull a little taunt, and then pull the rest of the yarn through the loop I had just made and secure it down. Just a simple little knot. Oop, wrong side. Flip it over. There we go. This is what your flower should look like. So now to make it look like a flower, first step is we'll want to go ahead and thread your yarn through your needle, and we will go ahead and roll our flower. So you want to make sure the tail of the yarn is down, and you want to roll the flower petals around that yarn. There we go. And that is the basic shape for the flower. We'll do this one more time. So we want to make sure that yarn tail is down. We will roll it around there, making sure that it stays in the down position. There we go. And then we will flip over our work, and we will sew the bottom shut, making sure that we go through all of the petals. And I sped this up because, you know, it's stitching things. It's not something that needs to be in regular time. All right, so I stitched it shut and I tied a knot, and there we go. We have our flower. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And I hope you have a happy crochet day with all of your beautiful flowers.